how to transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the app and tap on the second button at the bottom labeled Accounts. Once you're on the Accounts page, tap on Crypto Wallet. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case Tether USDT. After selecting it, tap Transfer, then tap Withdraw, and then choose External Wallet. Next, you'll need to add a wallet address. Make sure you're using the correct address for the wallet you're sending to. Copy and paste your external wallet's address into the field and then give it a name. In this example, I'm calling it Phantom USDT. Once that's done, you may notice you can't withdraw immediately. That's because Crypto.com has a 24-hour cooling period for new wallet addresses. If you're adding a new wallet for the first time, you'll need to wait 24 hours. After that period, just repeat the process and your crypto transfer will work. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto to an external wallet from Crypto.com. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.